So we've been talking about density. Let's do an example. One of the things that's important in Chem 1A is critical thinking and problem solving. And I will do whatever I can to help you learn how to do that better, but it's going to require some effort. So strategy is first read the whole problem. Sometimes it's tempting to start calculating before you get to the end of the problem. So we're going to read the problem. A man receives a platinum ring. A man receives a platinum ring from his fiancée. Before the wedding, he notices that the ring feels a little light for its size and decides to measure its density. He places the ring on a balance and finds that it has a mass of 3.15 grams. He then finds that the ring displaces 0.233 cubic centimeters of water. Is the ring made of platinum? So we've got some numbers in here. A lot of times it's helpful to write those numbers down. It's not uncommon for you to finish reading a problem like this and think, what the heck? What am I supposed to do with this? So just start by writing out the numbers. So we've got 3.15 grams, and we've got 0.233 cubic centimeters. Okay. Then let's look at the question. Is the ring made of platinum? How do we know? Well, we've been talking about density. Density is an intensive property. It's an intrinsic quality of a substance. It can be used to identify a substance. So we have information here that we could calculate the density of the ring. And we can compare that to the density of platinum. So we're going to need the density of platinum. It's not given in the problem. We need to go look it up. So we'll go back to that table we saw right here. We're still doing that. And on here we see platinum. The density of platinum is 21.4 grams per cubic centimeters. So let's write that down. Oh, is it going to do that to me? Having issues with dosary. I have to have a conversation with that. I'll have to write this over again. That's the wrong problem. Okay. 3.15 grams, 0.233 cubic centimeters. Okay, and we looked up the density of platinum. The density of platinum is 21.4 grams per cubic centimeters. Well, we have a mass, we have a volume. We could plug those into the density equation. We do want to make sure that that is the volume of the ring. This is a technique, displacement, for measuring the volume of an object that's not a regular shape. Now, if it was a cube or a rectangular prism or something, you could use geometry in the measurements. But a ring is difficult to calculate the volume of. So you can take a graduated cylinder, record the level of the water in it, put the ring in. When you put something in water, the water level goes up, and the amount that it goes up is equal to the volume of the object, because the object displaces the water, pushes it up. So that's what this is talking about, the ring displacing that much water. That means that that's the volume of the ring. So we can identify that as the volume. And the mass, it says the mass is 3.15 grams. So then we need the equation for density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. So we'll put our numbers in here. We've got 3.15 grams divided by 0.233 cubic centimeters. You should always write this down, show your work. So I get out my calculator, 3.15 divided by 0.233, press the equal sign, and it's telling me 13.519. There's a bunch of other digits. The units, nothing cancels out, so it's grams per cubic centimeter. We'll learn about significant figures in a couple of minutes. We would round it there, but it doesn't matter for this problem. Is this density anywhere close to the density of platinum? No. What does that tell us? The ring is not platinum. So the answer to the question here, we did all of this math work, But the answer we're looking for is no. Okay? So the answer is no. Not made of platinum. Any questions? The woman in this example is shocked that the ring is fake and returns it. She buys a new ring that has a mass of 4.53 grams and a volume of 0.212 cubic centimeters. Is the new ring platinum? Okay, well, this is the same idea, right? We need to find the density. Density is mass divided by volume. Well, here we have the mass, and there we have the volume. So I'll put the mass in for M, and dividing by the volume, I'll do the math. 4.53 divided by 0.212. Calculator says 21.3679, blah, blah, blah. Unit is grams per cubic centimeter. Sig figs, we'd round it there. The density of platinum was listed as 21.4. Is this close enough? Yeah. If we round this, it would end up exactly 21.4. So is this new ring platinum? Yes. Always a great idea to put a box or a circle around your answer, especially on worksheets where I'm looking through all of your scribblings. Sometimes I have a hard time finding your answer. This is what I would consider to be the minimum amount of work that you should show. Question?
I'm kind of confused about how you find out if it's platinum or not.
We're comparing the density of the ring to the density of platinum. And since they are essentially the same, then it must be platinum.
Okay.
Any other questions? Could you get the door? There's that train. I get comments on my YouTube channel. Wow, that train's really loud. Yeah, it is.